Want to make an extra $1,579 a day? The world is buzzing about a new gold rush. It's not about digging in the dirt, though. This gold rush is digital. It's powered by AI, and it's changing the game for side hustlers. People from all walks of life are tapping into the power of artificial intelligence. They're using it to create businesses, automate tasks, and generate serious income. Whether you want to pay off debt, travel the world, or just have some extra cash, AI can help you get there faster. The AI revolution is here, and it's time to claim your piece of the algorithm. This isn't just for coders and techies, it's for anyone willing to learn, adapt, and hustle. We'll explore the tools you need and the strategies that are generating real results. Get ready to be inspired by stories of everyday people just like you who are using AI to achieve financial freedom. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it your reality with the power of AI. Remember when starting an online business seemed impossible? You needed coding skills, a marketing budget, and a whole lot of luck. Those days are over. AI is changing the game, making it easier than ever to launch a side hustle and start earning. No more excuses. The beauty of AI is its accessibility. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to harness its power. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, ready to execute your vision. AI empowers you to turn your passions into profits on your own terms. The traditional job market can feel restrictive, but AI is tearing down barriers and democratizing opportunity. No matter your background or experience, AI provides a level playing field. It's about what you can create, not where you come from. Imagine turning your love for writing into a lucrative career as an AI-powered copywriter. Or picture yourself designing eye-catching graphics without any design experience, thanks to AI-powered tools. This is about rewriting the rules and creating your own path. AI is bridging the gap between ambition and achievement. Always dreamt of being your own boss? AI is your ticket to entrepreneurial freedom. It's time to ditch the excuses and embrace the power within you. This isn't about waiting for permission, it's about taking action and creating your own opportunities. With AI by your side, you can build a business around your passions, not your limitations. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech enthusiast, or a natural-born hustler, there's an AI-powered side hustle waiting for you. The future belongs to those who dare to dream big and leverage the tools at their disposal. Let's get down to business. What are these AI tools and how do they actually work? Imagine having a conversation with a computer that understands your every command. This AI language model can write anything you ask it to, from blog posts and social media captions to even code. Need help creating stunning visuals? No problem. AI image generators like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney can turn your text descriptions into breathtaking works of art. Imagine describing a whimsical scene in your mind and having it come to life in seconds. There are AI tools for video editing, music composition, and even market research. Most of them are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Now that you have an idea of the tools available, where do you find them? Think of AI platforms as online marketplaces for all things AI. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai offer a suite of AI writing tools, while platforms like Canva have integrated AI features for graphic design. These platforms are your one-stop shops for accessing, experimenting with, and leveraging the power of AI. Connect with fellow AI enthusiasts, learn from experts, and get inspired by real-world success stories. These platforms are more than just tools. They're gateways to a vibrant and supportive community of innovators and entrepreneurs. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of AI, remember this. AI tools are powerful allies, but they're not magic wands. Simply using AI won't guarantee success. You need a strategy. Think of AI as an amplifier. It can amplify your efforts, but you need to be clear about what you want to achieve. Start by identifying your strengths and passions. The more you understand how to leverage AI to your advantage, the more successful you'll be. Don't just take our word for it. Let's meet some of the everyday people who are crushing it with AI side hustles. Meet Sarah, a single mom who always loved writing children's stories. She could never find the time to illustrate them, though. Then she discovered AI image generators. Now, Sarah publishes a new children's book every month, all beautifully illustrated using AI. She's earning an extra $2,000 a month and inspiring her kids to chase their dreams. Then there's John, a retired teacher who always had a knack for marketing. He'd heard about AI copywriting tools and decided to give them a shot. Now John runs a thriving freelance business writing website copy, email campaigns, and even sales letters, all with the help of AI. What do these AI success stories have in common? First, they all started with a passion or a skill they wanted to monetize. They didn't try to be everything to everyone. They focused on a niche and excelled at it. They understood the power of specialization and used AI to amplify their existing strengths. They embraced the iterative nature of AI, constantly testing, tweaking, and optimizing their processes. They treated their AI side hustles like businesses, investing time and effort into understanding the tools and strategies that work best for them. They recognize that the AI revolution is a collaborative movement, and they embrace the power of collective knowledge and support. The AI community is vibrant, diverse, and incredibly supportive. Online forums, social media groups, and dedicated platforms are buzzing with conversations about the latest AI tools, strategies, and success stories. This is where you'll find the resources, inspiration, and guidance you need to thrive in the world of AI. Don't be afraid to ask questions, share your challenges, and celebrate your wins. The AI community is all about paying it forward and helping each other succeed. The future of AI is brighter together. Ready to launch your own AI-powered side hustle? Great. Let's equip you with the essentials. First things first, you need an idea. What problem can you solve using AI? Don't overthink it. Start with your interests and skills. Love writing? Become an AI copywriter. Passionate about art? Explore AI image generation. Next, choose your weapon, or rather, your AI tool. Research and experiment to find the perfect fit for your needs. Create a simple website or leverage social media platforms to showcase your skills and services. AI is your secret weapon, but your authenticity is your superpower. Worried about not being a tech whiz? Relax, you don't need to be a coding guru to win in the AI era. While technical skills are valuable, the most crucial skills in the AI age are adaptability, creativity, and a willingness to learn. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. Embrace it. Be a lifelong learner, stay curious, and never stop exploring new tools and techniques. One skill that will set you apart is prompt engineering. The better your prompts, the better the output you'll receive from AI tools. Use AI to enhance your human touch, not replace it. Starting an AI side hustle doesn't require a fortune, but it does require investment. Firstly, invest your time. Learning new tools and strategies takes effort. Be patient, persistent, and don't expect overnight success. Financially, you might need to invest in premium AI tools or online courses to accelerate your learning. But remember, start small and scale gradually. Allocate your resources wisely, focusing on high-impact investments that will move the needle for your business. With the right mindset, dedication, and a willingness to embrace the power of AI, you can achieve incredible things. Navigating the AI landscape is full of opportunity, but it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles you might encounter is the rapid pace of change. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging all the time. Don't let this intimidate you. Embrace the evolution. See it as an opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. Make continuous learning your superpower. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow AI thought leaders on social media, and participate in online forums to stay informed about the latest advancements. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and thrive. In an AI-driven world, it's easy to get caught up in the technology. Remember, AI enhances your abilities, not replaces them. Your clients value your expertise and human touch. Build relationships and deliver exceptional customer service. Respond promptly, listen attentively, and exceed expectations. Happy clients become your biggest advocates. Never stop honing your craft. AI boosts efficiency, but can't replicate human creativity and emotional intelligence. Invest in personal and professional development. The future belongs to those who embrace AI and human qualities. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding the power of AI to exploring real-life success stories and equipping you with the tools and strategies to thrive. Now, it's time to stop observing and start acting. The AI revolution isn't a distant event. It's happening right now all around us. Every day, people just like you are leveraging AI to unlock new levels of income, freedom, and fulfillment. The question is, are you ready to join them? The beauty of the AI side hustle is that it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a willingness to learn. You don't need a fancy degree, years of experience, or a ton of capital to get started. All you need is a spark of passion, a dash of creativity, and the courage to take that first step. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the time to take that step is now. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace, and those who adapt quickly will reap the greatest rewards. Embrace the power of AI, not as a threat, but as a catalyst for growth, innovation, and opportunity. The future belongs to those who are bold enough to seize it. And with AI as your ally, there's no limit to what you can achieve. The AI revolution is more than just a technological shift. It's a cultural movement reshaping how we live and work. It's about empowering individuals to create their own destiny, democratizing opportunity, and fostering innovation. The tools are available, and the community is ready to welcome you. Take that first step today. Explore AI and discover endless possibilities. The future is unwritten. Write your own success story. Use technology to solve real-world problems and build a brighter future. The time for action is now. The future is yours to create.